Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for May and I have got the Feelunique subscription bag in this case. So if you're new to the subscription and you want to learn a little bit more, then carry on watching. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I chose, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Feelunique have been running the subscription box for about a year now. It used to be called the Beauty Kit, but then they changed it so it's a monthly subscription. You've got the option to purchase a one-off box, which will cost you £13.95, or you can opt for a subscription for 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. You get to choose 5 luxury size samples from a huge selection of products, and shipping is included in the cost as well. Unfortunately, the subscription box is only available in the UK, but if I ever hear that they decide to expand out of the UK, then I will tell everyone, because I know there's so many of you that would absolutely love this subscription, as well as the pick and mix sample service. I know a load of you would love to be able to sign up for. The products aren't released on a particular date or frequency, they're just randomly added throughout the month. In this subscription, you can get Feelunique moisturisers, Elemis moisturisers, Huda Beauty. I'm going to show you what I chose, but basically what I'm saying is you can get some really great luxury brands in the subscription, so it's definitely worth checking out. I'd say definitely worth checking out. If you're interested in the beauty box for yourself, or even taking a look at the pick and mix sample service, which entitles you to receive 5 smaller samples which are free, that's all you have to pay for is £3.95 shipping, and again that's only available in the UK. But if you're interested in taking a look at that as well, and any other offers, Feelunique have given me a code that I can share with you for 15% off. There are some exclusions, but it's Beauty Geek FUA. You're welcome to use that, but you can't use that against the beauty box or the pick and mix, just off anything off their website. But I'll pop all of that down below in my description, so underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. Oh, I forgot to say as well that when you go to checkout, you've got the option to click for a bag or not. It's up to you. So say if you are a regular subscriber and you might not want to have a bag every single month, so you've got the option to tick it off. But I always tick it because I'm doing YouTube videos just to show you. So yeah, so this is the little bag that you get. So let's show you what I chose. First up, I've got something that I've chosen before. This is Tissue Bedhead Magic Piece Hairspray Extra Strong Hold with Massive Shine, and there's 80 grams here. I really like this. It's a handy size to take away for a weekend or on holiday. I will be taking it on holiday with me. I'm going to Greece in the summer. I cannot wait. Booked it years ago before the pandemic, and now we're actually going. So, oh, I'm too excited. But yeah, my battery just went flat, so apologies if it looks a little bit different. I think you've dropped a little bit, maybe. There, I don't know. Anyway, I was saying about these, I have tried a few products from this brand in the Feelunique beauty box before, and yeah, they're really nice sizes as well. So that's the first item. Next, I got something which is rather different. This is Purity XL 3-minute tan removal cream, rose and caramel, and there's 25 mils here. So it's a little pot. Tan remover. So again, I'm thinking holiday, I fake tan all the time. Whenever I go away anywhere, I always fake tan, and if I go on holiday, then I fake tan nearly every day. I do a full-on fake tan with a mousse or a cream or serum or whatever, and then while I'm away, to keep the tan up, I use gradual tanning moisturising lotions. Oh, I didn't realise. Oh, it's really foamy. Oh yeah, it's really like foamy. So sometimes I make a complete and utter mess of my feet and my knees and my elbows, so I thought that might be quite nice actually to bring on holiday with me for emergencies. It's not too big. Apply directly to dry skin, leave to soak into the skin for 3 minutes, gently buff away with exfoliating gloves in the bath or shower. If any of you have tried this before, please let me know. But yeah, what's the brand? Purity XL. Next, I got a Laura Mercier. This is Raspberry Caviar Stick Eye Colour. Now, I'm sure I got this before. I've seen it online in the beauty box, you know, selection for a long while now. And I do really like the caviar sticks. I really do like just the ease of them. Yeah, they're really nice. I'm not sure if I've gone for this before. This is more this is more of a lipstick colour, isn't it? But I just thought, ooh, for the eyes. That'd be so pretty for the eyes. Let's try. Like a rose gold. It is more of a lipstick shade, but I do think that would be really, really pretty. Can you see? So it's got like a metallic-y shimmer to it. Yeah, I do think that's really nice. It's more of a bronze then. Can you see? Yeah, more of a bronzy colour. I wonder if I've got it. Knowing me, I probably have. But I know now not to get it again. Because I have been eyeing it up for a while. So there's that. I got another lipstick. This is Dose of Colour and it's full size. It's full size. This is a liquid matte lipstick in shade Stone. I don't think I've tried anything from Dose of Colour before. The packaging is gorgeous. I think there's a few different shades. I think so. Is that? Yeah, it's nice. It's a really nice colour. Yeah, it's a really nice colour. I absolutely adore liquid matte lipsticks. The ones that stain, that don't come off. Not the super, super drying ones, but if they are a little bit drying, then I put a little bit of gloss. I'm actually wearing one today, a Too Faced one, but I've put a little bit of a Fenty like lip gloss on top of there, just so it's not as drying. But oh, I love them. I think it's just because I'm lazy. I'm just not asked with just applying lipstick all over. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I am having my lips done. Having my lips done, not plumped or not injected or anything. I'm too scared to have any Botox or fillers or anything like that. But no, I'm actually having a lip blush. So I'm having a lip tattoo then in a couple of weeks' time. I was supposed to have it last week, but because I've had COVID, obviously I've had to change it. So no, I can't wait for that. I cannot wait for that. I will be doing a video, obviously, to share with you my experience. Pain. Hopefully there's no pain. And then I go away on holiday, and then when I come back, then I'll have another top up. Something like that, but no, I can't. Yeah, I'm going for a sort of corally red sort of shade, I think anyway, I don't know yet, I might change my mind. So that's where my thinking is with like ease of lipsticks that aren't going to come off because I can't be bothered to reapply them all the time. But yeah, so hopefully that might be one of them. Although when I get my lip blush done, I wonder what lip colours will look on top of it if I just fancy something different. I don't know. If any of you have had it done, please let me know what you think of it. And lastly, I have got a facial spray. This is Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs and rose water. And there's 29 mils there. I'm obsessed with these little sprays. Now, I'm going to take this on holiday with me. I always apply a facial spray to my skin before I apply my hyaluronic acid in the morning. So I've never tried this. Oh, that's just squirted sideways. That's got a bit of a rosy smell to it. It's fine. It's fine. So that's the last of the items that I chose. So I'll just gather them all up. So as well as this bag, I've got a Tigi Bedhead hairspray. I've got a pot of Purity XL 3-minute tan remover. I've got a Dose of Colours liquid matte lipstick in shade Stone. I've got a Laura Mercier Caviar eye stick in raspberry. And lastly, I got a Mario Badescu facial spray. Out of curiosity, I've just gone on to their website. This lipstick by Dose of Colour is full size and it retails for £18. £18! I paid £13.95 for everything. So I'm really chuffed with that. Really chuffed. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Do you subscribe to the Beauty Box by Feelunique, or do you just dip in and out like I do and get a one-off box? Or is this the first time you're hearing about it? I'd love to hear what you think, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. Take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.